Hi there! Welcome to Easy Physics with me, May Maxine. Today, I am going to talk about Isaac Newton's laws of motion. There are three laws. The first one is the law of inertia. The second law is the law of acceleration, and the last one is the law of interaction. Let us first go to the first law. For example, I place a ball in the backyard. Of course, it will move unless something moves it, like the wind, which causes the ball to roll in the wind's direction. And it will roll and roll unless something stops it, like this wall, and which causes the ball's speed to become 0. To better understand the law of inertia in real life, let's call on Kuya Chuck! Take this ball for an example. With no force applied, the ball doesn't move. However, if you apply force on it like kicking, it will roll, and it will continue to roll and roll, unless something stops it. Now let's go to the second law. Let's say this ball is made up of tiny stuff, which makes its mass and moves at a certain acceleration described by change in speed over time. If multiplied together, we get force, which is in newtons. Now let's compare two masses where one is greater than the other, like in this example. And if the mass is greater, then more force should be applied to accelerate it. Let's call on Kuya Chuck again to explain this law. As you can see, we have two dumbbells here, in which one is heavier than the other. If he tries to lift the heavier one, it takes him more time and more force to raise it completely. However, if Kuya Chuck tries to lift the lighter one, it takes him less time and less force to raise the dumbbell. For the third and last law of motion, which is the law of interaction, we use a rocket as an example. Now, if this rocket exerts enough force to push the ground also exerts the same amount of force on the rocket in the opposite direction. Take note that the amount of force the rocket applied is always equal to the push of the ground to the rocket. If we increase and we keep on increasing the force, it allows the rocket to fly and reach the stars. And for the very last time, let's call on Kuya Chuck. Hi, Kuya Chuck! Okay, so I'm going to give him a chair to sit on. So Kuya Chuck's gonna push the wall, and the wall will push him back with the same amount of force in the opposite direction. Don't forget to say goodbye! Told you physics is easy. Good luck! Easy Physics.